How to check in a patient for an appointment in the clinic. In the Green Olive electronic health record, checking in a patient for a doctor's appointment begins by first locating the patient's chart. To search for a patient's chart, first navigate to the Patient Search Criteria page by clicking the Charts tab. The Charts tab is one of the tabs located on the right side of the Office View screen. The Patient Search Criteria page allows you to find a patient's chart by entering one or more search details. You can search by the patient's last name, first name, date of birth, phone number, or other available criteria. You can also filter results by patient status, such as active, inactive, dismissed, or deceased status. Before you begin, you need to know the name and other relevant identifying information for the patient in question. To begin, type in the patient's partial or complete last or first name directly into the designated first or last name fields. Once you've entered the desired information, click the Search button to display matching patient records. The search results matching your search criteria appear on the left side of the chart screen. If you have similarly named patients, the information displayed for each of the matching records will help you identify the correct patient. Choose the patient record you were searching for by selecting the patient bar. This opens the patient's demographics page, which helps to confirm you've selected the correct patient. Select the New Appointment button at the bottom of the screen. The Create New Appointment screen appears. Before continuing, be sure that the appointment type is correct for this particular visit. If you need to change it, select the gray bar, then select the correct appointment type from the available appointment types. It is very important to select the correct appointment type. The appointment type controls the screens and tasks displayed to the clinical staff and doctors. If the wrong appointment type is chosen, it will be more difficult to document the visit. Select the correct appointment owner for this visit. If today's visit is with a different doctor or provider than the one defaulted, select the colored name bar, then select the appropriate provider from the list. Select Finished. Select the appropriate waiting room for the patient from the menu that appears. Select Finished. The patient appears in the waiting room. The color of the patient name bar will be the color of the doctor/provider chosen as the appointment owner.